Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change language on Messenger. It's pretty simple. Now there's no setting in Messenger you can just go into to change language, alright? If you want to change language, you need to do it through your phone setting. So if you change your phone's language, your Messenger's language will automatically change. Right now my phone is using English language. That's why Messenger by default is using that. So if I change my phone's language through my phone's setting, then my Messenger's language will automatically change. So go inside setting, and once you're inside settings, scroll all the way down until you see the messenger icon. Once you see the messenger icon, click on it, and the bottom option preferred language, click on it. From over here you can change it to anything. I can change it to Sketchestein, or I can change it to English, but I want to make sure it's in English. I will click on English, but you can choose whichever language you want. Once you choose the language you want, just open up your messenger, and your messenger's language should be changed, and your phones should be changed as well along with that. So that's how you guys can change basically your messenger's language. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.